Integrating sustainability into healthcare planning is crucial for maintaining effective care delivery and safeguarding long-term health outcomes. Therefore, sustainability should be regarded as a key component of healthcare quality. A well-established approach to embedding sustainability within healthcare practices is the so-called SASQI framework, short from Sustainability and Quality Improvement, developed by the Center for Sustainable Healthcare. This framework offers a robust methodology for promoting sustainable practices in the healthcare sector. The primary aim of integrating sustainability into quality improvement is to enhance sustainable value. This involves achieving optimal health outcomes while minimizing financial and environmental impacts, and proactively creating social value wherever possible. Rather than being a formula to calculate a single definitive result, the sustainable value equation serves as a tool for holistic thinking. It encourages consideration of all its components when implementing quality improvement initiatives. The SASQI follows a step-by-step guide for integrating sustainability in the health sector. Step 1 of the SASQI approach is setting the overarching goal for healthcare improvement. To set the goal, first, you need to define the problem that you would like to improve in the system. Defining a project's problem and goal is an evolving process that often starts with a broad idea or an external request. As you progress, you might need to refine or shift your focus. Consider which part of the healthcare provision to address, identify the core problem, and clarify the environmental or social impacts you aim to tackle. Be careful to distinguish between the problem itself and its causes or symptoms. Sustainability improvement projects need well-defined aims that are measurable, time-bound, and specify the target group of patients or staff involved. After identifying the problem, it is essential to establish specific, measurable, achievable, and realistic goals and to set a timeline for achieving the goals. Always remain open to revisit the goals as your project develops. This flexibility ensures your aims stay relevant and achievable as the improvement process unfolds. To drive meaningful improvements in the healthcare system, a comprehensive understanding of the system is essential. This is the second step of SASQI approach. Before implementing changes, it is crucial to analyze how the system currently operates, including identifying key participants and mapping out each process step. The SASQI framework expands this by assessing the use of environmental, social, and financial resources to uncover issues and opportunities for improvement. Start by evaluating resource use, including medical and non-medical supplies, energy, water, patient and staff commuting, and social resources. Each of these contributes to carbon and non-carbon impacts, which will be explored in upcoming lectures on life cycle thinking and carbon footprint analysis. Next, analyze the type of resources used and the sources of waste within the system. Identify the most significant waste categories and the areas of highest resource consumption. This will help to prioritize actions that reduce waste, optimize resource use, and support sustainable practices. Evaluating the social impacts of both the current system and proposed interventions helps identify potential unintended negative effects on various groups such as patients and staff. The next step in the SaaSQI process is to design and test your sustainability improvement ideas. To ensure your improvement effort aligns with sustainability goals, it is important to apply the principles of sustainable healthcare such as prevention of ill health, patient self-care, lean service delivery, and low carbon alternatives. And additionally, the fifth operational principle focuses on efficient resource use, including optimizing energy, transport, waste, water, and equipment usage. The sustainability improvement process you will design should be well structured. Start by clearly defining the project goal, followed by identifying sustainable strategies and considering how to align with the principles of sustainable healthcare. Finally, develop practical change ideas to help achieve your goal. Measuring progress is crucial when testing and applying changes, as it provides the team with the feedback on whether their efforts are driving improvement. To assess the impact of your action, it's important to revisit the formula for calculating sustainable value and its key variables. The primary outcomes of this formula are linked to patient and population results. The relevant patient outcomes will vary depending on the specific pathway or service you've designed. In the SaaSQI framework, considering population outcomes is closely tied to another important quality domain in healthcare, that's equity. The triple bottom line impacts in sustainable value encompass the environmental, social, and financial outcomes of your strategy. Environmental impacts can be categorized into carbon and non-carbon effects. It's important to remember that sustainability scenarios aimed at reducing the carbon footprint may also increase other environmental impacts. Therefore, a comprehensive life cycle approach is essential for assessing the full range of environmental effects. Social outcomes can be complex, and there is no single method for evaluating them. A structured scan for social impacts allows you to identify and prioritize the most significant positive effects on those most affected by your improvements. Additionally, collaboration with the finance department will help you to assess the financial implication of the costs associated with your strategy. Sharing knowledge is a key component of the sustainability in quality improvement framework, as it allows others to benefit from your insights, refine, broaden, and replicate your approaches. This process is vital for motivating others to participate in sustainable healthcare transformation and plays a significant role in amplifying and expanding sustainable changes. On the SaaSQI framework website, you will find a variety of templates to assist you in developing sustainability improvements for your healthcare system. Keep up the excellent work.